Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another episode of 6 Way to Die Nerf War. This could be part 5. Okay. Part 5. Part 5 is going to be amazing. You're going to prepare yourself. You're going to see the most amazing episode of 6 Way to Die Nerf War that you will never see. Prepare yourself. Well, now we are going to present the first way to die in this new episode. The first way to die is when you try to make a trick, but you fail. Got you. Now the second one is sorry, I'm kind of sick. Oh man. Now the next one is that you think that fairy tales are real. The next one is when you run too fast and you fall, they kill you. The next one is when you let your gun when you left your gun in another place somewhere, and that people takes and the other one takes that gun. It's horrible. He steals you the gun. The next one is when you are too lazy in Nerf War. Let's go. Oh. I don't want to go to bed. Never again.
Superhero. No!
There's no bullets. You're not going anywhere. I'm so lazy. Stop breathing.
the superstar. I do. Without hero.
Now guys, I hope you liked that way to die. Now we're going to do the last one. It's going to be awesome. And it's called Sniper. Who the hell are supposed to be? You.
I got. I'm waiting for my mother.
Why?
I don't know. But my grandpa is feeling the battle.
I want to kill you.
No,
Just want
no thank you. No thank you. Please. I don't want.
Stay away from me, okay?
I don't need a key. I do speak in Spanish. Then I don't know.
You have blood.
I don't. I bring out. That means out.
So guys, I hope you liked this episode with my little sister that collaborated a lot. Now, we'll see you in part 6. Part 6 is gonna be epic. Bye bye guys, until next time. See you later, alligator.